Hello friends, today we will learn about new service of AWS called as Elastic File System or EFS. So basically EFS is fully managed, scalable and elastic file storage service. It allows you to create and configure file system that can be mounted on multiple EC2 instances simultaneously, enabling shared access to data across instance. So today we will learn how to create elastic file system and attach that file system to multiple EC2 instances. So firstly open AWS Management Console, go to the EC2 service. We will first create the security group and open all the port for the inbound rules. Enter any name for the security group. I am entering EFS SEC. In description same. Then add rules in inbound. First we will add all TCP. Then we will add SSH. Then HTTP, and in last HTTPS. Click on create security group. Now click on launch instance. Enter the name for the instance. So I am entering EFS AM Amazon machine image we are selecting. Keep it default T2 micro. Select the key pair. Then network setting. Select the security group which we have created and launch to instance. Now search for the EFS service. So this is the EFS management console. Click on create file system. Enter the name for the file system. I am entering EFS. Click on create. So file system has been created. It is available now. Now select the EFS. We need to change the network setting. Click on network. Click on manage. Now here we will select that security group which we have created in all zone AP South 1A, AP South 1B and AP South 1C. Click on save. Now we will connect to our first EC2 instance. So select the instance, click on connect. Copy the key. So my key is in download. So changing the directory. Paste the key. First instance has got connected. Now we will connect the second instance. Select the instance. Click on connect. Copy the key. Paste it here. Enter yes. So our second instance has been also connected. Now we will create one folder. So mkdir EFS you can create of any name. Same on the another instance mkdir EFS. Now we will update the system. So m update -y for Amazon Linux. System is already updated. We need to install one package for EFS. So command is yum install Amazon -EFS utils. Press here Y. So the package will be installed. Now same on another instance yum update -y. Then same command yum install Amazon -EFS utils. Enter Y. Now we will attach EFS. So go to AWS, click on attach, copy the first command and paste it here. Change this EFS location to our EFS folder location. Press enter. Now copy the second command, paste it here. Same, change the location of EFS. enter. EFS has got connect to first instance. Now on second instance we will connect it. Same, copy first command, paste it here. Change the location of EFS. Then copy the second command, paste it here. Change the location of EFS. Both instance has been attached to EFS. Now we will create one folder and we will also create one file inside that folder. Touch file name. So here you can see the file has come. So we will go to second instance and check here, the folder has come. The file also has come. Finally, both the volume of instance are in synchronization. If you make any changes on first instance, it will reflect on second instance and vice versa. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.